In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting the no SIM error on your Android phone. So to fix this, first open the quick settings panel. Now here you will need to tap on this airplane mode toggle. Now simply wait for a few seconds and then tap on it again to turn it off. This will refresh your phone's connection and hopefully solve the problem. However, if that doesn't work, go to the settings app on your Android phone. Now here scroll all the way down and then tap on general management. Here you will need to scroll down and then tap on reset. Here you should see this reset mobile network settings or simply reset network settings. Simply tap on it and then tap this reset button to confirm. After that, see if your SIM card works. If it doesn't, make sure it's inserted properly. However, if you still experience problems, you can try using the same SIM card on a different device. If it doesn't work there either, there may be an issue with the SIM card itself. In that case, you may need to get it replaced. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.